So today we have the Oraimo Spacebuds 2, and you guys said I should bring her back, and she's here.
They said it?
Yes, they said it. Check the comment section; it's there.
Hi.
So I got this on Sunday, and it's not out yet. I saw it on the website,
Video unboxing.
and I don't want to mention them because they are so wicked. Let me just tell you. Well, I got it. I will show you the unboxing. We'll skip that for now. But she's already feeling it already. She's already feeling it.
Yeah, it's so good. So good. Hi guys. Thank you for requesting that I come back on the channel. Michael gave me these today and they are so good. First of first, that active noise cancellation thing. You know I want those other bots that we're not going to mention the brand name. I couldn't feel anything, but immediately I wore these, I knew that I couldn't hear anything around me. The noise cancellation was too clear. Now, I called my friends. No, I called one friend because they were complaining that they couldn't hear me the other time. And I said, hello. And they were like, oh, I can hear you clearly. I can even hear the echo in the room. So yeah, my friends can hear me clearly.
So the mics on here are amazing. Please don't use this to take your bath. I've tried it already. Don't.
Really?
The mics they're under the boards, like you can see them. They are very visible. I'll show them with a bureau. They are very visible, so you can try it. And one thing I don't like about, or there are two things I don't like about it. But the second one, they can update it with a software update. So the first one is like the shape of the boards. I prefer the shape of the first space boards. That one is perfect, but this it is well. Then the second one is the controls. You can't change the controls, like they are fixed. You can use one ear for music control and one ear for volume control, and I don't want that. And it is very sensitive. The touch controls are very, very, very sensitive. Like if I tap it once, it's going to pause, and I don't want that. I prefer like on my itel boards, when I tap it once, it just increase or reduce the music depending on the left or right. And when I'm taking my bath and I like my buds with it.
Wait. You wear your buds in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't have a Bluetooth speaker. So
Go and buy a Oraimo Bluetooth. Maybe they do.
it's not giving me the sound I want. But yeah.
I've never heard anybody wear their buds in the bathroom.
That is them. You take risk with everything.
So wait, you pour water and
yeah. I risk everything. Apart from my phone.
You know they're normal to do. It's not normal.
So yeah, just those two things. The ANC, you can control the level on the app, also with the transparency and the ANC when it's off.
Michael.
She can't hear me. I'm just blabbing.
Too good.
Yeah. Then what else? I think the shape of the boards can be better the next time. And okay, it's the sound that's hitting me like this. But yeah, I wanted to talk about the sound quality. So I've been into house music, Afro tech, electronic music, and all genres of music, right? And there's this particular South African DJ, Vigro Deep. He's a house music kind of person, and I was listening to sound check, and it was Apple. Oraimo is coming for you. Oraimo is coming for you. That's all I can say. The sound was really good. Even when I was listening to J Gadget's mix on YouTube, it was actually really, really nice. The ANC is good, like really, really is Apple AirPods good. Is Apple AirPods good? But I'll still choose Apple AirPods. If you like, I'll still choose Apple AirPods. But like for $28 or like less than 40k, this is a really good earbud. The mic is excellent. So when I messaged the father of Oraimo, you people should know, in bracket reviews, the audio was really crisp. It was really clear. I even recorded audio. I said I'll record before and after audio, before I bath and after I bath. And it was still clear. The mic is excellent. Everybody could hear me. That is, I would say Oraimo did well with these boards. It's like 50% of what the AirPods Pro 2 can do. I know there are a lot of comparison will soon come out. So this is what the Oraimo Spacebud 2 sounds like before I use it to shower, because all my earbuds I use them to shower. I don't care if they have water resistance or not. I need to enjoy my music while I'm taking my bath. So yeah, let me know what you think about the sound, the mic quality rather. Let me know what you think about the mic quality in the description box below. But I think it's really good. When I sent a voice note to someone yesterday, it's really good. When I called my mom with it, sounded really good. And yeah, I'm using the sound recorder app on the Google Pixel 4a to record this. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below of what you think about the mic quality of the Oraimo Spacebot 2. So the thing is also I've tried using it before, but I've used it to order, but they like bounced back my order. They were telling me that there was a time that they were trying to reach out to me. Anytime I want to order, they send me a message that there was a period they tried to reach out to me. That's why they cannot deliver any of my orders going forward. I'm like, okay, oh, no problem. I get it's like $28 or like less than 40K. You can get this boat when it officially comes out, and maybe you can use my discount code if you like me. If you don't like me, me say I don't like you. So just save my life. But yeah, that is it. That is it.
Thank you for coming. Don't forget to
Yeah.
like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, your loved ones, your enemies, your colleagues. Who else?
And wicked people.
Yes. They do a lot of PR. So